Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Bianca Digital. So in this video, I will share how to register in Seataoo. Kung ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutan mag-follow para updated ka sa mga videos na i-upload natin. So, watch the next video. Isa ka bang full-time mom, OFW, employee, or online seller na gustong kumita pero walang time? Pwede ka nang kumita ngayon gamit lang iyong cellphone, internet, at maliit na puhunan. Paano? Be a seller in Seataoo. Dahil dito, hindi mo na kailangan ng inventory, marketing, products, warehouse, and logistic. Dahil si Seataoo na ang bahala para sa iyo. All you have to do is to download Seataoo app or visit www.seataoo.com at mag-sign up and create your Seataoo shop and be a seller. Or you can direct register using my Seataoo link. So ilalagay ko po dito sa comment section. Paano nga ba mag-register sa Seataoo? So sa next clip, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang step-by-step kung paano mag-register sa Seataoo. Pumunta lang sa Seataoo app at i-click ang sign up. After mo maklik ang sign up, ito ang lalabas. Fill upan lang ang hinihingi information, full name, email, code, password. Pag nailagay mo na ang email address mo, click verify and check your email para makuha ang verification code. Then check terms and privacy. Basahin mo muna bago i-check ito. After filling up all the information needed, then click create account. Mag-login na gamit ang email at password at i-check ito. After mag-login, hihingi ng second verification code. Click verify to get the code and click confirm. Then next, click account. Scroll lang pababa and click be a seller. Provide the basic info needed. Shop name, referral code. So don't forget to put my referral code for you to be verified. Then ID requirements like passport, ID photo, selfie, phone number, and address. So after providing the basic info, then click register your shop. After that, wait for 1 to 2 days to be verified your shop.